beautiful and lovely. Yay!
Just kind of hold water there a little bit, but it's a nice move it.
Okay, here we are again now with the new faucet. Looks exactly the same. Cold water. Perfect. Now the hot water. Perfect. All is good.
I do like this faucet. It's pretty cool, actually. My son did it in about 30 minutes or less. Not too bad. He had more problems get the other faucet off. But, yeah. And what's really cool is that you can turn it. The other thing that I really love about this, like the old ones you would have to pull up to stop up your sink. This, you just push down once and it fills. And to drain, you just push again. Pretty nice, I like it. I'm happy.
Excelente producto. Me encantó.